this video, I'll show you how you can reduce the size of your Excel sheet and how you can compress it. So first, what you want to do is you want to head over to this website called ucompress.com/Excel. Now, once you're on this page, you want to press select file and you want to choose the Excel file. Now, once you do this, you're going to press upload file and compress, and it will compress it. As you can see, it has been compressed by 8.83%. And what you can then do is you can download it and you can see it matches to 11 to 11, and it was 12 before, and we can check. Before it was 12. So as you can see, it reduced it by a little bit. If you want to reduce it further, you can take the new one and put it in here and reduce it even further. Just keep in mind, every time that you compress a file, it loses some of its quality. Now that's basically how you can compress an Excel file, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.